I think it's about time for bedroom fire alarm test 5. I've got some pretty interesting devices set up today, so let's go and look at them. For the pull stations, we have a Spectronics SBNG1R. I pulled a pull station just like this in the previous basement test, so we're not going to be doing anything with this today. However, on the right we have a Federal Signal MMPS pull station with this little door on it. Pretty rare, and you don't see it too much, so we are going to be pulling that today. For the notification appliances today, on the left is a Potter SL-1224 strobe. If you look closely in there, you can see it is set on 35 candela. And on the right is a Wheelock, I forget all this, but it's a 6-inch bell, and it is being coded to March code, which is 60 beats per minute. The addressable smokes are the same as usual, but up here we have a system sensor 2400. We will be smoke testing that today. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull the fire alarm. Open this and pull down. And it looks like that smoke detector activated as well right there. So now let's reset the pull station. And it looks like this one just went off as well. I think I overshot a little. And if you just turn that key, it'll pop back up, but if you turn it the other way, you can open it up all the way, and you can see what the inside of it looks like there. That's where all the wiring is, and the switch is this little thing right here, as you can see. So we'll go ahead and close it back. So we can scroll through. We have the pull station. That's the 2400. And then we had both of those detectors up there ended up going off as well. So now we can reset. And we're back to normal. Thank you for watching. As always, be sure to check out my GroupMe and eBay. Both are in the description. Thank you and have a great day.